Drip CRM Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of Drip CRM and what you need to know before using it. Links to Drip are in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Drip is a CRM designed specifically for e-commerce businesses, focusing on customer engagement and automation. If you're running an online store or want to build better relationships with your customers through email marketing, this could be the right tool for you. Drip excels in its automation workflows. You can set up highly targeted email campaigns, segment your audience based on their behaviors, and even integrate with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This allows you to send personalized emails, which can lead to higher open rates and more sales. What really stands out is the ease of use. Setting up these automations doesn't require you to be a tech genius. The interface is user-friendly with a drag-and-drop workflow builder, making it perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that don't have huge marketing teams. Who is Drip for? It's tailored for e-commerce businesses that want to level up their email marketing and customer engagement without needing overly complex tools. If you're selling physical products online, it's a great fit. However, if you're a service-based business or you need more robust CRM features like sales pipelines, Drip might not be the best choice. It's more about customer engagement than traditional CRM functions like managing deals. Overall, if your goal is to boost customer retention and increase revenue through automated email marketing, Drip is a solid option. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you found this review helpful. It really helps promote the video and share useful information with others.